Oh my gosh, it smells so bad. It's too strong. Huh?
You can hear it?
Verific, that Stalker song. It's so strong. Smell it. Blackwood, smell it. Smell it. She doesn't like it. Look, we put this backwards. Ow. Okay.
Can I give that a hug? Make sure it's
Smell this one. This one smells good at first. Back there. Oi. Back there. The last one. Back there. What? We closed at 9 today?
Huh?
9 o'clock?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're the only ones in here. We're the only ones in here. And it's 8:45. Yeah, she looks cool. Look, there's no one here.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You want to sit there? Yo, get her out. We're gonna get in trouble. Black Bear, come on. Alright, What? I get in trouble. Do not know you. What? Oh, look at the outfit. Oh my gosh, look. It's Black Bear and Black Bear. Where's the Hello Kitty, the new stuff? Like the outfit.
We have like a little Hello Kitty section right over here. So we have her like
Oh, okay, I didn't see that.
the bathrobe, and then we have this little t-shirt.
That's new. Okay. Alright, thank you. Huh? Oh yeah. Wow, they only have 3 bathrobes. She's gonna name it like blah 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 blah.
They love it.
I'm gonna get a hanger. Hold on, look, they're holding it.
Awesome. Now tell us
Awesome.
and tell us which country you live in. Use the arrow keys to move through the pipe. Now it's time to register your
It's a Hello Kitty section.
What's her name?
Wait, what's that kind?
Berry?
They're all the same now.
Berry blue?
Just call it Berry. Berry. B-E-A-R-Y.
What day?
Today.
Thursday?
The 20th. Today is the 20th of June. Register another one so we don't have to do all that crap again. She didn't put this one in.
First, slide your animal's barcode tag through the scanner. Or
Sorry.
okay, so who is this furry friend for?
Awesome.
Almost done. Now we don't name your furry friend because we need its birth certificate. Each time, highlight it in blue.
Name?
Use the arrow keys to move through the pipe.
This one's strawberry.
Take a look at your furry friend's birth certificate. Congratulations! Your furry friend's birth certificate is... Hi, I'm Chloe Ross, and I'm here to help you make a birth certificate for your furry friend. First, slide your animal's barcode tag. Okay.
This one's candy. Candy. Seriously, quit it.
Cookie dough. D-O-U-G-H.
Questions and scroll to the list. Then press the green key to get to take a look.
You know what I'm gonna name this one?
Hi, I'm Chloe Ross, and I'm here to help you make a birth certificate for your furry
Hello
friend.
Kitty.
First, slide your animal's barcode tag. Okay.
Oh, that actually works.
Furry friend. Awesome.
Hello Kitty. I cannot do this with one hand.
Take a look at your furry
Do I dress it up at home or right now? It will take too long. Oh my gosh. This is so happy. Alright. So these are the erasers.
Ready? I can help you open it.
Yeah. Okay.
Are we putting these in boxes or you want to do
Just in a big bag. She looks like a horse. Jump! Black bear! Jump! Jump! You're just scaring her. We just went to Build-A-Bear with the dog and there's like 2 huge bags. Do not put her in there. She will rip the bag with her claws. Alright, come on. Look at the Build-A-Bear garbage. Okay, there's like these huge stand-up things. Alright, try not to get hit by a car. Alright, come on, Black Bear. Come. She's scared of the car. Hurry up. Come. Jump. Jump. Good girl.